What's happening, Roseville? Welcome to Wind Down Wednesday, just one of our favorite events here in the beautiful town square. But first, beginning in June, Roseville City Council meetings will start 1 hour earlier at 6 p.m. The City Council hopes the change will make it easier for people to attend the meetings and increase civic engagement. The council meetings are regularly held on the first and third Wednesday of each month and are always open to the public. Roseville is again named among the safest cities in the U.S. In a study by Reviews.com, Roseville was ranked in the top 100 safest cities in the country. Maintaining and enhancing public safety services is the City Council's top preference for the use of the additional revenue the city will receive from Measure B. The City Council will discuss other uses for Measure B revenue and the entire fiscal year 2019-2020 budget at 2 public budget workshops on June 3rd and 4th. We just wrapped up our latest Sustain the Gains landscape makeover. Our water efficiency staff took this water-thirsty lawn and turned it into a beautiful, water-wise landscape. This switch will allow them to save up to 50% in their outdoor landscape watering. We may have had a lot of rain this year, but it is always important to use water efficiently because there's never enough water to waste. I hope you're ready to watch Downtown Roseville transform because Blue Line Arts has commissioned talented artists to come paint our walls here in Downtown Roseville. You can watch the progress from now until May 17th, and be sure to join us on the 18th for the big unveiling. Wind Down Wednesdays continue to liven up the Vernon Street Town Square each Wednesday until May 22nd. Come enjoy wine tasting, food trucks, live music, and more. It's a great way to spend a nice spring evening. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay up to date on all of our latest video content, make sure you visit us at youtube.com/cityofrosevilleca and subscribe. And of course, sign up for more Roseville news and events at roseville.ca.us/connect.